This is my 2007 Nissan Titan. It's SE trim, full crew cab, crew cab. I bought it a while back as a first vehicle. And my current objective is to make it good at off-roading and overlanding. This is how I bought it. It came exactly like this. It came with those wheels. It also came with ball fucking tires. Came with some horrible brake pads in the rear. Rotors gouged as well. It came with also needing a front end alignment because of how wide the wheels were. And its muffler and converters cut off. And I'm in Arizona, so that sometimes won't fly. But apparently this time it did, because the guy handed me papers saying that it passed emissions. I'll take his word on it as best as I can. So right now, I've got a tire shop nearby who has ordered me new wheels that are going to be more flush with the body, and they're going to be different rims. So hopefully perform better on the road. I also need to replace my overhead display. I don't know what happened. I think that this truck was originally a repo. Possibly. And it has no radio as well. So that's going to be another objective later on. But for right now, I'm getting most of the maintenance stuff covered. And after that's done, we will do the fun, cool stuff with it. In the rear here, they originally came with a toolbox mount. You can see where the welds are from what the guy did. There was like a garage toolbox here and one here. They were horribly welded, just drilled into there, but I took them off because there's no need. He says it was a work truck. I don't know who puts these on a work truck, but their truck, I guess. You can see it's got dings and scratches. Also, I've been told there's no speakers in this door anymore. I'm gonna assume when they're repoing the vehicle, the original owner had ripped out all of his modifications that he could before they snatched it out of his yard. So yeah, this is the rundown of this channel. After this vehicle is done, I'll probably just do whatever you guys want. But for right now, this is my main priority. So yeah, thank you for dropping in to check this out. Here I am. And I'll see you guys whenever I start getting my first gear to put on here. Goodbye.